Sorry guys, I just sneezed there. That's not the way to start an intro for a video. So hey everyone, I'm Master Gaming here. Welcome to Guns of Boom. This game was released, I think it was 11 months or about a year. So you better check this game. This is amazing. And I'm just a beginner. I just did the tutorial, okay? And I did not play any multiplayer battles. So we're gonna try, and when you first started off, there's gonna be an auto fire, so I removed that, and so here we go. See guys, it's auto fire, so I remove auto fire and set it to manual. Okay, oh, I forgot I have to press this. There we go. This is also smooth graphics, guys, if you like smooth FPS games with stuff. Ooh, here we are. Just gonna customize my control, guys. I put it here. Gonna put it here, 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 and apply that. Boom. No. Okay, let's go. Boom. That's good, guys. Okay, here we go. Anyone here? No. Oh, hey, fire! Oh, I forgot. I. Okay, that was weird, guys. I forgot. I thought it was auto fire again. Oh man, silly me, guys. So this is, boy. Why you not firing, boy? Boy. Okay, nice. We got that kill. Okay, let's go here, and here. Let's just see, guys. Let's be sure. Oh, okay. There's no one. What is this? Oh. Hey, I saw someone. No. You miss, boy. Oi. Okay. Oh, wow. Whoa. What is that? Whoa, guys. That was just like creepy stuff. Okay. Okay. Oh, so. Boy, I did not see you, boy. Of course, he has blunderbuss. That's a good weapon. Of course. Man, I like the AK-47 better, guys. Okay. Come on. Gotta also use my grenades, guys. Gotta also use them. Okay, there's no one. I'm rushing. In. Who is there? Oh boy. Yes, we got the kill. Oh no. No. Oh, okay. Oh. What? What is that? What do you mean legend by that gun? I don't get it, guys. It's okay. Guys, I'm gonna switch to, where is that? So to my blunderbuss. Oh, boom. Oh, melee kill. I didn't know that. Boom. Ah, we got it, guys. Oh no. No. There we go. Okay, got him. Okay, let's use that. He is totally camping, guys. Of course. Let's just headshot him. Boom. He's dead. He's gonna be dead. Please tell me. Come on, he should be dead. What? He didn't get that? Fine then. Fine, guys. Also, guys, the graphics of this game is really smooth. I really like it, guys. I feel terrible for this. So I'm gonna pull up my blunderbuss. Don't get me. I have a blunderbuss. That is so deadly. Okay. We got only one grenade left. We're gonna make sure there's no one in this building. Or, yeah, you know, we're gonna change to our AK. Okay, I can't believe we got a knife kill. Oh, did I see something? I feel I will get my blunderbuss. This is like a close area here, so you better be ready. Oh nope. No. What am I doing? Switch, man. Yo, what are you doing, man? What are you doing? I guess was just doing something. Okay then. Thank you. Okay. Anyone here? We're gonna switch to our blunderbuss, guys. Oh, here we got a victim here. Boom. Oh wow, oh wow. Glitch for days, of course. He will get the oh wow, what is happening? What is happening? Get that. Okay. We got healed. Oh, 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 there's someone there. Boom, 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 boom. Yes. What? We didn't get that. Oh my gosh. How did we get that kill, guys? That was really unreal. Oh, come on, Bao. Okay, here we go, guys. Let's see. Anyone here? Let's switch to our AK. Let's. Oh no. 3, 2, 1, and we got the win. We got the win, right? Wait a minute. I can't see. Come on. Yes, we got the victory, guys. That was an amazing game. So let's just continue with that. And also, guys, I suggest you to try this game. It's also pretty good. Let's just do that. But what? Oh, here we go. This is a pretty amazing game, guys. I am impressed by this, and then I really like it. And let's just camp here. Hopefully no one will get us. Let's just customize our control. Okay, that that do that. Just do that. I'm gonna be like this is like Modern Combat 5. This is like Modern Combat 5. What is that? Controls. If you didn't know that, yes. Okay, here we go. Wow, this is amazing. Okay. Okay, no one there. Grenade. What was that grenade? Oh my gosh, I'm dead. What? How? He's at the top of the stair. How? That is so unreal, guys. That is so unreal. Okay, let's just switch to our AK. Okay, wow, that's a lot of AK. Let's move here. Okay, anyone here? No. Okay, nope. Go grenade! Oh wow, that grenade was amazing. It did a really great job. Okay, we're healing. Okay, we got. Okay, nice. Okay, we have to switch to our blunderbuss. Boom, boom. Oh my gosh, what happened there? Wow, he is, guys. the campers man, guys. The campers man. Okay. One here. Boom. I saw you. Okay, he just totally glitched. Come on, boy. Where are you going? Where are you going? Okay, let's move out, guys. Let's move out. Go, go, go. Oh. Hey, how is the... Guys, this player, guys. I mean, why I can't even freaking move? Like, seriously. Oh, wow. Oh, yes, do that. Do that. Really? Kill assist? Are you unreal, guys? And now we're gonna get the loss. This is so unreal, guys. This is so unreal. It's okay, guys. It's only a game, so you don't have to rage. Except me, I have to rage. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing. Smart gear. Ooh, that's nice. But sorry, not gonna accept it. Let's find a match, guys. Here we are. Okay. Come on. Also, guys, NBA Live Mobile is not dead. Okay. Defeat enemies to win. Okay, sure. Whoa. Hi, teammate. How are you? Okay. Okay, so there's nothing here. There's no roof. Find them. Okay. This is gonna be a short range. I'm gonna take out my blunderbuss. Okay, now AK. Boom. See you, man. Come on, man. Ha! It's so great. Oh wow, that was a smart grenade. Hey, how is not hurting him? Boom, boom, boom. Just please. We got it. We got the first blood. Oh wow. Nice. We got a knife kill. Nice. Okay. Let's now switch to. Oh, ooh, 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 ooh. Hey, how is not dead? Okay, we got the kill, guys. We got a kill. Okay, let's go for a heal. Hey, how can I reload? Oh, I can't. I don't have. Oh, I was gonna pick that up. No, what is that? What is that noise? Is someone here? Oh my gosh. Sorry, bro. Gonna have to kill you, bro. Hey, how is this? Is so you again? It was bro, guys. He's a hacker. He's a hacker. He has to be banned. He has to be banned. He has hacks, guys. He has hacks. Okay, we're back. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Okay, we're teaming up. We're moving in, guys. We're moving in. This is Mission Impossible with player 7. Oh, or is that you? No, it was different player. Okay, okay, where are we going, boss? Oh, look at that neck. He has a bloody neck. Okay. Oh, oh, boom, boom. Got you, bro. Got you. Okay, okay. He's hiding. He's hiding. We have to get him. Do you know he's on your back? Okay, blunderbuss. Okay, AK. Let's switch. Where was that guy? He's a hacker, guys. Okay. Any player? I have a good internet connection. I want. There you are. Okay. You wanna play games? Yeah. Boom, boom. Butchered. Nice. Okay. Switch to our AK. Nope. Nothing here. Okay. Switch to our AK. Okay, you know what, guys? Wait a minute, guys. Let's just go to our customize controls. Gonna put these here. There we are, finally. Okay, now it's gonna be easy to me to press the freaking button, guys. Okay. Okay, here we are. We got Captain Sergeant Jones here. He's gonna help us catch some bad guys. Okay, there you go. First bad guy. Let's put a grenade. Oh, there we go. We got the kill. Nice. Okay, we're getting pretty good at this game, guys. I suggest you also download this game. This is an amazing game. Just make sure that there's no one behind us. that would be so freaking weird. Okay. Cut. Yo, 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 yo. Dead. How? 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 He's a hacker. Bro. Bro, are you serial? Are you serial, guys? This game is serial to me, guys. This game is serial. I'm coming for you. Don't worry. I'm gonna get you. Boom. You should be dead. Okay. Did we got the kill? Nope. Okay. Get him. Get him. Get him. Okay. We got the. Okay. Nice. So there's 0. Yes, we won the battle, guys. We won the battle. There we go. Nice. This is a pretty amazing game, guys. And don't worry, guys. I'm not gonna always do all my series always. Always not always. Guns of Boom. Guns of Boom. Where is? Oh, guys, we got a sniper rifle, guys. OMG, guys. In the next episode, guys, we're gonna try this sniper rifle out. Look at this. Wait, is that for free? Oh, wait. We got a collect reward. Wait, I forgot that. Wait, where's that? No, 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 no. Where is that? I have to collect my reward. Hey, where is that? Hey, I think it was here. Yo, hey, I have to, bro. I have to collect my this game. Where's my freaking? Won't give me. Won't give me. I think it already gave us, but let's just see, guys. If it is the sniper rifle is. Oh yes, we got it, guys. So I'm gonna make that active, and in the next episode, guys, we're gonna try. Okay, we're gonna try and snipe with the sniper rifle, guys. And I will see you guys in the next video or in the next Guns of Boom video, and I will see you guys later. Goodbye.